Okay, let's go ahead and get started at logging into the back end of WordPress. Because we have this weird URL, you'll notice that your site demo is in this string. Of course, you're not hosted on a server yet. We're just using this as a demo. Ignore this entire string to log in, but what's important is this last part right here, wp-admin. So when your site's live, you'll see this will be your main URL, and then / wp-admin. So let me show you real quick so this doesn't confuse you. When you log in, it's going to be this right here. Okay? But don't let what's going on right now, this portion, confuse you because we're on a demo and not fully live right yet. Okay? Once you've done that, put in your credentials. Go ahead and log in. And a few things I want to go over real quick are your screen options. And your screen options are all these boxes of information that you see. It's up to you what you want to use. You're not going to need all these things like that. Personally, I get rid of all these boxes. I really don't care about recent comments and recent drafts and quick press and all that stuff. Maybe you do. That's up to you. But either way, to change these out, we want to go to screen options in the top right and simply check or uncheck what you don't want. And this is per computer, not per user. Meaning if you log in on your computer and make these settings, and then you go log in on your sister's computer, your brother's, your mother's, your kids, whoever, you're going to have to change these settings all over again. It's a computer to computer basis. Okay, now I have that all set up. And over here on the left, we're going to see basically all our different sections, and each one of these sections expands to show another section. A lot of these you're going to use, but again, a lot of these you are not going to use. Alright, let's look at, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at users. So I click all users, we're going to see one, which is me. Now, in the future, you're obviously going to want to pull out this email address and more than likely change the password to this user. Do not delete it. I repeat, do not delete this. If you delete the admin user, you will destroy your site. You will ruin your site. Okay, so what you want to do is change out the email address that goes to me and update your password. Your admin is your default user of the back end of WordPress. So in the future, change the password, change the email address. Do not delete this user. Now what I'm going to do is add you in. So by the time you're watching this video, you already have a login. I'm going to show you how this works in case you need to add other users, change, or, things like that. Okay, so what I want to do is click Add New, and I can do that here, or I can do it in the Users panel on the left where it says Add New. And pretty simple, just fill out the information you want. I'm going to go ahead and just give you the name of Ebony. Your email address, the first name, last name is up to you. So I'll go ahead and do that as well. Password, I'm going to give you a generic default password. You'll get this in the email. Make sure you do change this. Okay, here's the click to make sure the user or the future user gets the email information sent about the password and login. And really important is the role. If you want to be able to make edits to the entire site, you want administrator. Go ahead and click Add New User. You're now set up. Here we are. Here's the other one. And right now you should have that to your email address and should be logged in to view this, so obviously. Okay, that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to get into other sections in the other videos.